At Lowe's, we value the safety of our customers, Lowe's associates, and service providers. We understand that you want to feel safe with any Lowe's delivery, repair service, or installation at your home, and our safety protocols provide additional protection for our customers, Lowe's associates, and service providers. These new safety protocols at customers' homes include a health check verification for all Lowe's associates and service providers, a pre-call before arriving at a customer's home. Lowe's associates and service providers should follow job site safety practices while at the home. Health screenings. As part of our health screening process, Lowe's associates and service providers are required to monitor themselves on a daily basis. If they're experiencing any symptoms or if they've recently been in contact with a COVID-positive person, they'll be instructed to stay home and not report to work. Personal protective equipment, or PPE. Where safe and appropriate, Lowe's associates and service providers are to wear personal protective equipment as recommended by the CDC and/or OSHA, specifically a facial covering and gloves to the maximum extent possible, anytime they are customer-facing or in a customer's home. Social distancing. Social distancing is also a requirement. Because of this, Lowe's is implementing additional procedures designed to minimize the need for close contact with the customer. Also, you can expect more customer pre-communication to explain how the work will be done and how we'll be keeping the work area clean by disinfecting work areas and tools. At Lowe's, safety is a value that we've always had, and that's never been more important than right now. Safety unites us. Home unites us.